Yo, what's cracking like with y'all boys and girls, man? Damn, this car dirty as hell, bro. What the fuck? We are back with another banger, man. Excuse me, I'm looking a hot mess, bro. We just left the track. The kid, what the hell got going on here? Somebody get their little kid. What the... Oh my goodness. Somebody help him. Somebody help him, man. But we are back with another video. If y'all watched the last video, bro, y'all would know exactly what we're about to get into. Right now, we're at Target. We're about to pick up some things, bro, because the wind here is picking up and we came unprepared, bro. No allergy pills or nothing, bro. So we are about to get some stuff to help us out so we stop sneezing and everything and whatnot. Look at all these kids riding the doggone scooters. What the hell? Look, security about to get him. Oh, it's not. Hello. Oh my gosh. Damn. Damn. There y'all go. Y'all can see me. But yeah, man. Get some pills. Some. I am tired, bro. So we about to head back to the B&B after this. I think we're going to get food and then we're going to head back to the B&B. And I'm taking a nap, bro. Like, I am tired. But yeah, there's my brother right here. Bro, how do you feel about the track? What you thinking? Oh, there you go, Jimmy. Get a little 30s right there.
That's a little ass kid.
Wow. Our first day at the track, how was it?
Back hurt.
Your back hurt? I went up to the bleachers, bro. If you haven't watched the last video, go back and watch it. But I went up to the bleachers, bro. This nigga is stretched out, shoes off and everything, bro. Diabolical. You're wild for that. Feet ashy as than a mother.
My feet ain't never. I ain't never ashy.
It's on video.
I got socks on. Video. I got socks on.
It's on video.
I got long black socks.
Horrible, bro. Horrible.
Play tic-tac. Let's play tic-tac-toe.
Yeah, I know you like, yeah. You didn't make no mark. That's why you're wearing all long sleeve. Look, right, yeah.
Ashy.
You're not ashy, but I just saw a mark. So how that work?
No ash.
Anyway, so, yeah, day one was pretty smooth, bro. It wasn't too bad. Not a lot of people, but it's always like that. Come to closer to the weekend though, it's gonna be stupid. It's gonna be stupid. But yeah, like I said, we're about to get some allergy pills and some snacks, bro. Cause last night we was in the crib with no snacks, bro. We was about to just bust a mission to the stove, but you know the neighborhood we ain't walking around, bro, at all. Especially at night. Yeah, no. Oh, candy, got to get it, brother. Oh, yeah, the candy here is cheap. This back home is $6, kid you not, bro. $2, that's what I'm saying, bro. Like $2 for all this? Bro, the gas out here is like $2.50. Back home is like $5.
You said $6.
No, back home is $6.
You telling me these are $6?
Yes, that back home is $5.99. Crazy, bro. Absolutely wild. But yeah, we about to get some snacks, man. Shit. Alrighty, y'all. Got some snacks, some allergy pills, and some water, man. So now, let's figure out what we're gonna eat. I don't know. We might get something on the way in to the B&B or something. I don't know. But I'm gonna see y'all at the B&B. He gripping the out of that stir.
3 hours later.
We about to hop. We're actually running late for a car meet, so we about to hop in the Z, bro. My boy Z.
Oh, good.
The drop top joint. Yeah, damn, that dog going crazy, yo. Calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the knife. My boy took the bolts out. He tried to do me like them Hellcats and the Trackhawk shit. Hit the gas and I go flying backwards.
Great.
He done made it in this thing. Trying to get up. Oh, damn. Oh, shit.
Hey, if you ain't scraping on nothing, you ain't low enough.
Oh, snap, bro. We done made it out the driveway, man. Let's get it going, man.
Oh, they made it. God damn.
Sheesh. Hey, that drop top truck. So yeah, man, like I was saying, bro, we are headed to a meet right now. I believe it's a park and chill, but Drake said that drink jumping, bro. So we gonna see how it what is going down, man. We're following Drake right now. I think we're gonna stop by the gas station and get some drinks or whatever. But yeah, man, we on the way, and I'm gonna see y'all when we get there, man. Sheesh.
Well, with GoDaddy Arrow, I can just tell it what I want, and it uses AI to make a website so fast it pretty much blows my mind. My customer's noggins, which allowed me to focus my noggin on making.
Oh my god, any lag in this shit? What? What the hell? Oh wow. Holy stuff, brother. I missed this. You gotta slide it up the freeway for Drake. You got to, bro. You got to. You got no bounce. You got that big slide out. For real, bro. Oh my goodness. So we just pulled into the meet, man. Straight underground type meet. Literally underground. Crazy. Damn, it's hella heads, bro. This is wild. Carbon monoxide for sure. Damn, like that? Yeah, this thing crazy, man. What the what? Oh my goodness, fuck it. Alright, we gonna check the cars out when we park, bro. Oh, snap. There go my boy with the scooter. Y'all seen him, remember last year, bro? He jumped over Dan Rue's car. Crazy.
What's up, man?
What's up, man?
You guys are fucking wild out there, man. I saw you swinging it too. Don't act like I didn't see that. I didn't
Pop the hood, bro.
Pop the hood on
Pop the hood, bro. Pop that motherfucker. Damn, bro. So we made it to the meet. Got the Gen 1 right here with the carbon. Whoa, I see the little something on the inside. Oh, snap, brother. Okay. Got the, what it is? Okay, very nice. Nice little pack all around, bro. Carbon hood. Very nice, bro. Sheesh. Got an older Gen. Got a, oh snap, we got clutch out here? What? They come all the way out here? Got a Z. Honda. Sheesh. Got a Type R. Nice little Honda Crew. Got the BMP blower. 5.0. Damn. Okay. Very nice. Got a nice little tire in the back as well. Ooh, damn. We got GT500 right here. Oh, damn. Got GT500 right here. This thing is what? Mint condition, bro. SB2 wheels. The bike's pulling in, going crazy. Sheesh. Beautiful, bro. Got the bike section. Absolutely wild. Drake over here doing wheelies on the scooter? What? Let me find out Drake used to skate for real. Oh, Drake, let me find out, bro.
You seen that?
Used to skate for real.
You seen that?
Damn. Is that carbon? Jeez. This thing wet. Oh, man. Damn. Oh, jeez. You talking to him, brother? Oh, snap. Got an RS5. S550. Got Tricky on the side of it. Then we got a GTO, bro. What? We got a GTO with some wheels all around. Damn. I don't think that's normal. I don't think that's normal. That's not normal right there. Oh my goodness. What the hell? Oh, that's crazy right there, man. Sheesh. Got the nice little red goods type. Nice little pack in the back. Damn. Sitting next to the truck too. The truck got the B-locks in the back. Damn, brother. And the gap can. Don't mess with him. Don't mess with. Whoa. Wait a minute. Is this what I. Oh, damn. Damn. Big turbo joint. Okay. I see you, brother. Very nice. Got a black wing right here. Very nice. Very nice. All the bikes you can ever think of. Type. Got a Q50. Oh, snap. An older Supra. All right. Very nice. Got the Subis and some more bikes. Now, got a WRX and a SS with a Z01. Is it Z01? An SS with a Z01 front end. Got the S550 with the lights all lit up. He got the new S650 lights on that joint too. Okay, brother. Got the Supra with the wheels all around. Okay. Damn, very nice. Got the C8 with the Z06. This is Z06? Very nasty. Ew. What's this color, brother? I like this. I like this color, brother. You like this color? No?
That's a Chevy?
It's not a Chevy, whatever. Got the C7. Oh, this was at the track earlier today. Got another C7. Sheesh. Nigga done stole the gas station sign, huh, Jalen? Done stole. I bet it's a black dude. Nah, it's not a black dude. It's not a black dude. But sheesh. Oh, snap. The JDM boys. Very nice, very nice. Got an S15, I believe. Sheesh. Then we got this one right here. Big old intercooler. A drift joint. Damn. Oh, really? Sheesh. Now we got the C6. Came on a trailer type. Oh Lord. This is crazy. I don't think it's too crazy though. It ain't got no wheels or nothing. He just put up on the trailer type. But sheesh. Then we got some Mach 1 and another S550 with a 650 headlights. Sheesh. Oh, okay. I love this wrap on this Mazda right here. Nice little tan junk. Very nice. Got the M4. Damn. And this is what I was looking at when I came in, bro. Look at that. Everything out here in Texas is crazy. Absolutely crazy. I see the turbo right there. Crazy. Sheesh. And then we got the S550 Mustang on the float. Can you tell? With the white seats in this joint too. Damn. Yeah, this is nice right here, man. Sheesh. Then we got the purple crew. Got the purple Charger and a purple Challenger and a purple Mustang. Oh, damn. Very nice, very nice. Then we got the Galaxy wrapped Beamer with the tire on the back. Damn, okay. Sheesh, okay. So yeah, I don't know if everybody going to a different spot or what, but we got everybody leaving, everybody fluctuating. Oh, damn. Everybody dipping out, man. Sheesh. This is wild, bro. My ears are absolutely going stupid. Drake! Bro, this thing sounds absolutely insane, bro. Oh my gosh. Got the Supra heading out. Damn. All the bikes leaving. Very nice, very nice. Oh, snap. We even got stretch bikes out this joint too, bro. Damn, stretch boosters. Crazy. Drake, what do you think about the stretch?
It's hard.
Tough. Very tough. Oh, snap. Definitely gonna need one. Damn, the GT500. Oh my gosh. Oh lord. Oh lord.
Calm down, bro. Calm down.
He gotta pull a wheelie, bro. Look, he gonna do it this way. Watch. Watch the speed bump over there. Damn, is this a D? Oh, he almost got me. It's an RT. Almost got me though. Then we got the V6 with the Demon Hood. Crazy word. This thing sounds nasty, bro. Turbo truck. Oh my God. Absolutely wild. GTO, turbo truck. Oh man. Woo. Oh my God. This thing is wild. Oh no. Oh my God. This is an expensive leaf blower, bro. Bro, give me one more. Give me one more. Oh my gosh, bro. Wild.
That's sick.
That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Sheesh. Damn. We got here like... Oh, sheesh. Oh my gosh, that Mustang is blown. Oh my goodness, that thing sounds good. It sounds good. Don't know what it is, but it sounds good. And then we got this thing right here. What the hell? Oh goodness. Oh, so now we got a Mach 1, orange Mach 1. Damn, brother. That thing sounds good, bro. Oh, RS7, excuse me. I said RS5, RS7. But sheesh. Damn. Gotta rev it. Rev it. You gotta rev it.
That's what it sounds like.
You gotta go flag him.
Flag him?
No, flag him.
Oh, flag him.
Yeah, flag him. Count them off.
No, that's how shit goes wrong.
Oh, damn, take off. He was gone. Oh, snap. All right, they're about to do a nice little dig race for y'all. So y'all ready? 3, 3, 2, 1. We got a Z01 on a tire pulling in. Sheesh. M3 sounded real nasty type. Z01, nice little tire on that thing, brother. Sheesh. Alrighty, man. Damn, that hurt. We got my boy needing a jump. This thing crazy. Got so much power. Need a jump. Got the Mustang. Damn, my boy got curtains in that thing. Damn, very luxury. Wide body Accord, bro. Y'all seen this? Crazy. Oh, I didn't even see the welds in the front, bro. What the heck? The welds in the front. I didn't even see that, bro. And window hood is crazy, bro. Absolutely wild, man. Sheesh. Sitting next to the Beamer M4, y'all seen that. Then the drift build over there. Mach 1, S650, X550. And then I think that's pretty much it, bro. Everybody done left already tight. Tire sounds good? My boy got some wide tires. 330, 355. It's 355.
55?
5519 in the back, man. Damn. That's crazy, bro. And it's drifted. Fully gutted. Wow. And he got the double wings. Sheesh. Oh, not double wings, sorry. But sheesh. This is wild. Alrighty, y'all, so that is gonna be it for the meet, bro. We are headed back to the B&B for later on tonight, man. Or it's gonna be next video for y'all, but we got some cash days going on. I ain't gonna say too much because the police right there, but we got a cash days we going to tonight, man. So y'all stay tuned for that video. That being said, man, we gonna do some hood rap on the freeway.
Yeah, man, we're gonna try to mob.
Alright, we doing hood rap on the freeway, man. Sheesh. Drake, he's over here purposely going over the speed bump at an angle too. It's crazy. Look at Drake. What is he doing?
A few moments later.
Fighting it, bro. Yeah. Fighting it.
My mouth is open. How the drop top got smoke on the inside? Help me, please. Help me. Oh, damn. That was a huge setup. Dallas, I'll give it to you. Y'all downtown is nice. Sheesh. Oh snap, we done made it to somewhere else, man. Got a 392. Okay, brother. Oh, I think this is another car meet. Oh, it is. All right, we about to check some more cars out, man. Sheesh.
Let's go. All my niggas convicted.
Oh, so we done made it back to the B&B, bro. And yeah, but like I said earlier, we are going to chill out until it's time for the cash days, bro. Cash days is at like 11, I think, or something like that, and it's like 10 something. So gives me a time to finish editing today's track video and charge up the batteries, because this one's on 16%. The other one is probably fully charged because I left it here, and then I got another one that's probably like halfway charged. So I know the cash days is gonna be crazy. This lighting is immaculate, bro. Oh my gosh. So yeah, man, we're gonna wait, or we're gonna chill out, edit, chop it up, and then this nigga stepped on my shoes. This nigga stepped on my shoes. So that being said, man, I know it wasn't like too action packed. It's all good though. I'm gonna just see y'all in the next one, and the next one gonna be action packed for sure. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Make sure y'all stay blessed. Have a blessed day. Have a blessed week. Just be a blessing in general, bro. And most of all, make sure y'all stay wavy. And I'm out of here. Sheesh.